Hello. So we're gonna make a simple bucket. Okay. So I'm gonna delete everything because that's way too distracting. There we go. Front view. Shift A to add. You can use the cylinder or you can use the circle. It's completely up to you. But I prefer just use the cylinder anyway. Because it's already helping. Just delete the face there. But first we're gonna maybe scale it a little bit, make it bucketish look shape. Okay, maybe a little bit make it longer, just like that. Alright, so I'm gonna delete the face. Alright, so you. So I did scale this one scale. Don't worry about. So why I do that? Because that's why we're gonna put the metals. All bucket have like that. To the Z. Here we go. I'm gonna make this here and this over here. I'm gonna make it round. Control B. If you want up the cuts, make it even rounder. Now we're good. And this the bottom as well. Select the face. Control B. Oh, Control B. Decrease the cut. Backward. Up the cut. Frontward. That's what they call, right? That would do. All right. So there we go. Simple bucket. First bucket. Now we're gonna make the handle over here. To make the handle, that's actually very easy. Just use the curve. If you want, you can actually not use the curve as well. You can just use the what do you call this? The plane. Rotate X 90 degree. Here the Z. All right. So I'm gonna delete the edge over there. Delete this edge. Okay. Just delete the edge and you get something like that. No more face. Just select, go to vert select. Make sure this one's still selected. And this one, move it. Here is it. Gonna go to here. G to the something like that. And this one as well. Uh, I'm it's way better if you use the mirror tool. Okay. So let's see if it's correct. There we go over there. Okay, that looks fine. So I'm gonna select that one. So what I'm doing is I'm just doing it everything randomly. Okay, extrude, got something like that. So it's this one. So I'm doing everything here manually. Okay, I don't use the mirror because I gonna do it manually. Okay, and for this, I'm gonna bring it down. GG, and I'm gonna add another cut. If you want, you can add another cut, or you can just press Control B. Oh no no, make sure on what do you call this? Vertex select. Control Shift B. Go like that, but you don't want it to look like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna make another cut here. Vert select, or you can edge select also fine, but it's way better if you just vert select. Subdivide, and there we go. You got in the middle over there. So I'm gonna bring here GG. Oh, that's way too much. GG. Yeah, this one GG. Oh no, GG. Bring it up. So I'm just making it round like that. Oh, I think that's way too much. That's why you need to use the mirror, because the mirror actually very helpful. Okay. Now I think I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna simplify this one. So it's this one. Oh, vet select. There we go. Oh, not vet select. Edge select. Subdivide. Now I'm gonna edge select. Make it round. See, just like that. Don't worry. This is just a low poly version of a bucket. All right. Now let's gonna make this thing like a handle, okay? I'm gonna maybe I'm just gonna bring this up a little bit. Control Shift P, another one. Okay, that will do. Now it's quite round. And I'm gonna first I'm gonna set this origin to the geometry. There we go. Now it's on the middle. Oh, set this off now. Okay. Select, right click. I'm gonna convert this in order to add some add some face for this thing. I'm gonna convert this to curve. Since this is a mesh, now I'm gonna go to here. Once you convert it to curve, you should see this one, okay? This one. And you can go to geometry now. All right, so I think it's this one, the bevel. Depth, just press one once, and you got something like that. No need to be super thick or super whatsoever. And another one. That quite looks fine anyway. Don't worry about this one because, well, usually you're gonna need the hole over there, but I'm not gonna do that. Yes, well, don't waste time for someone. I mean, don't waste too much of your time. Detail, such as if you want to model, don't waste too much time making uh, someone don't see anyway. I mean, let's just say you want to add some detail below here, but at the end of the model, that bottom, no one gonna see it, so no need to waste your time. But if you want to do it, that's completely up to you. Okay, got something like that. So make sure to fill the caps. Where is that? Fill the cap. That one. If you don't know what the caps, they're over there. See over there? That's a hole. Fill the cap and it should close. Okay. Now I'm gonna convert this back to a mesh. There we go. And now I'm gonna need to add something over here. Okay, Control Shift B. No. Oh, I think that would do. I mean, it's a handle anyway. No need to add much unless if you want to add something to it. Let me see now. I think the bucket is way too big than the handle, but that still looks fine now. So that's how to make a simple bucket. Low poly. No need to add anything. Just like that. Okay. So I'm gonna go to shading. If you want to smooth this thing, that's okay as well. You can do that. And this one color. What did I go to here? I should go to here, but it's the same anyway. So the base color should be. Oh my gosh! Please don't crash. Okay, there we go. Should be. What is the usual color for bucket? It's on cartoon mostly red. Reduce the specular. Up the brightness. I mean zero specular. Up the roughness. If you want it to be metal, be silver. Up this one. Okay. But I'm just gonna stick to this one because you know what? I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make it silver. Make it farmish shape. Reduce the saturation. Like that. Silver. Metallic. Roughness. No need too much specular. If you want it absorb shine, more shine, up the specular to 1. Okay. Maybe 500 would do. 0.500. That's the default one. And so is the roughness as well. But this is up to you. Depends on your that is your if you that's using feelings, okay? And for the handle, well, we don't need it roughness, just we just want it to be metal. Oh, no need for this one, the subsurface. We just need the metal. Okay. The metal, reduce the specular. There we go. That's the handle anyway. Color, maybe drop a little bit. Something like that. See? Back here. So we're done modeling actually. That's how to make a simple low poly bucket. Okay. Now, if you want, add some subdivision surface to this one first. But I don't think this one needs some subdivision surface because you can just shade smooth. It's still not quite perfect, but if you want to add a subdivision surface, you can do that. But this one, you might need to add some subdivision surface, the handle, make it smoother like that. Maybe two would do, make it smoother. Once you're done, you can apply. If you don't, well, consider changing everything. All right, see you guys. That's how to make a simple low poly, but this is high poly now. I mean, it's still low poly, right? Shade flat. Yeah, now that is a low poly. I'm gonna shade flat this one as well. So that's how to make a simple bucket. Okay, so I'll see you next time, guys. Goodbye.